Hello everybody, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I beg. Normally the website say local because if I say make I wait 1 minute or 5 minutes later if I will do this video so it will be say I not go do this video again. By the way, they don't break. Today na which date say? Today na Saturday. Today when say I post this video so the same day when be say I want to upload them because this year so anything procrastination I don't want to do again. So someone want leave YouTube. But this gist I want gist so if I want gist I want make I eat this beans say I eat remain yesterday when we say I don't finish eating so I just can add some drainer so that make I as I the gist I go dey chop the food and forgive me I don't know you say I put that clip I want to clip this microphone so if I see me I go dey find I can miss say this particular video so I go dey procrastinate and be say I not go do the video again so I know you want say you waste my time this year I don't want to anyhow I want to present myself take come for this YouTube stage so because I don't tire I won't be say sometimes we say person want to do some kind of YouTube video want to dey make up they do your hair they do this kind of a thing I beg no time to take waste time he good like this so someone I'm talking to you I beg my darling I beg don't leave YouTube no leave YouTube because two of us the whole thing dey reason we dey reason the same thing just that some kind things dey we be say even before I even talk say I wan go do some YouTube video sef or wan talk say I wan begin enter YouTube sef sometimes just dey if I just watch the video wey say you upload dey go just talk say someone you just talk and finish no need for me to come dey talk come dey explain myself again na make am be say as you dey say you dey leave YouTube so the thing dey vex me the thing pain me no be say e vex me because I understand the reason make am be say you talk say you wan take leave the YouTube and that reason so e dey concrete well for people wey say no know some aku abeg try me say you know this woman so na one intelligent woman why don't you the woman say no I'm not supposed to say if I dey talk make I dey eat the same time for table manners my fast truly say one for myself if I say this food sef go wait later when my mate dey take tea and bread for breakfast me dey take beans and bread I come lazy finish me say I don eat am finish the YouTube video wey I talk say I wan do I no come fit do the YouTube video again because of overfeeding so you tell me if you be YouTuber if this thing say dey worry me so say dey worry you so me let me know for the comment section below because I think serious now let me one the thing dey worry me I go straight to business my people don comot for my this thing people from village no wan let me do this video so and I go do the video regardless their plan no go work this one na 2022 so my uncle dey leave YouTube like I talk just now so for people who say no know some Marako some Marako na one kind intelligent lady in short her critical thinking it matters a lot and the way she take dey analyze issue and the way she take react to issues and things na only person wey say dey diplomatic na go fit be say e go fit analyze issue like some Marako and since my watching of different YouTubers for this particular YouTube so I never see anybody specifically who be say if he dominate like someone because she dey analyze the thing from A to B to C to D the way be say if you no understand you go try maybe say you understand just that some people dey complain sometimes say the way she dey talk say she dey rush dey talk but I wan talk who some Marako be some Marako na one big YouTube I want to say dey for YouTube now for some years I think so wetin even inspire her to even take start YouTube sef na to dey vlog about her personal life me you see no be today I begin dey follow some Marako dey feel me so where dey gist dey feel me so Marako abeg not try me say you leave the YouTube at least he dey give us some update because you be that kind of person wey be say shey you see all these days wey be say people dey play children dey play for tree wey be say dem come that old person that old mama or dey or person wey be say e dey for the environment for village that year na wey be say dem come sit down for tree dem come sit down the woman come dey tell dem story na that kind person na use take dey look some Marako because some things dey wey be say even me sef because of the kind of mumu brain wey be say I get sometimes wey be say I go dey reason some kind of yeyability due to some Marako critical analysis she don influence me a lot in short may I give one big jam the reason make am be say I open my YouTube channel so some Marako inspired me a lot because this YouTube channel wey say I get so I don't think say I thought say I want to open am since 2018 time one see dey for Aduro house, but e get one kind particular video wey be say some uncle make, wey be say talk something like somewhere around Exodus 14 something, wey be say just say wetin make am be say many people dey put lie for social media, say see how much be say she don receive for one particular video wey she do one time. When I hear the money, I say me need money. Now I take rush come the YouTube channel. But when we say I come finish, I come see them wey they talk, if they go farm, they talk. If they come back for farm, say the work, when we say they involved, say too much. And true now, when we say I don't enter this platform, now I really take see. You scroll down my videos, when we say I don't do for YouTube, and the particular ones, when we say they go viral, so far so good. When we say I tell put this my YouTube channel so, and the one will be saying I find the most difficultly to even do safe. So tell this if I will carry phone like this safe and I want recording, and the thing can say I want to start on. So tell if I go press start, I go do. I thought say no, it no enter. Well, I go press start, I go do. So tell if I go do video safe. I come be say video we say I do for 10 minutes. I go find almost the whole day take edit the video, because say sometimes I know what to be say I want to talk. This is every story we be say you go see for social media. You go know what to be say you want to talk. You no go know what TB say you want to for the story. So that story they will be say, if you never sit down, make you think what TB say you want talk, carry barrel and paper, take analyze the point when we say you want talk, you bless him be say you can't fool yourself for the YouTube platform. This my hair, so I beg leave the hair. Don't make come out this one. I hope say the hair see fine. Now yesterday I do the hair very well. I hope say you like the hair. So how cool I will tag you for this particular video. So look my face. Now maybe that girl wants to be gist and food. When you always they comment for your comment section below, I beg. I know say you get 4 children, I'll be 5 children. I don't remember again, but I know say you get one small or you both picky. You say born will say your face be like pinky. Come go compare with your lips. So you say be pinky lips. I beg, she they give us to upload, because I talk about yours now. Say you be that person we say would they like to they get for village when we say they tell us story, because the kind of moonlight story we say they tell us and the lessons when we say would they learn from inside them. It reach when be say even though person we say not get mama or person we say not get papa, they watch your video constantly. You'll be person will be say you they train other children for outside. I know say the time we say you thought say you want to write that book so. Say the time, say you need down well, because based on say you occupy your mind with some certain things. So say you just need that time to take document your life, give your children, and that one, I love you for that. You know why I say I love you for that? Because I know say my mother dey alive. My mother don't tell us some certain stories when we say it happened, time we say she take dey forget. But the thing be say, now the one soon be say. She tell us based on maybe situation or circumstances. Let me come say remember those things. Let me come say we take know those few things about her. But at the be she write her own life for granted. Probably maybe the mistakes when we say she make or the experiences when we say she go make her be say we when we say with the pikin, so we would love to know that thing about our mother. And one particular thing we say I want to talk again be say imagine when we say the whole family generally when we say we come see those families so. Everybody document their life for ground. You see say differences and the generation to come go get something to talk about the generation or 10th, 11th, 15th generation we say don't pass as in we say don't pass come out. So I beg, so my sweet baby. If you talk self, if they make your YouTube video self, so tell me say you carry your phone like this for your face. Now your pink clips. I know I don't comment for one particular video. We say you do what I thought say I bet someone not be the story. We say you the talk or the matter. We say you the juice the talk. Now your pink clips, now I just they talk because I beg. Number 1, you fine. Number 2, you dey intelligent. Number 3, you dey hardworking. Number 4, you get critical thinking. Number 5, you dey intelligent. I beg. So my apple baby one. Don't be only those children who say you get children for internet too. I be one of them. I know say maybe sometimes they behave like pakpoko. I beg. At least if now once a week. You see the post and that book so we say you want write so if it is possible for you to take publication come outside for the society, maybe say we buy and me go be your number 1 fan we say go buy and if I buy that, if I don't buy I will still come here again, come see talk and say I will still replay this video small, see talk and say the book don't come out so make the rest people go collect their copy, because I really want to know this particular thing when we say day with Summer Aku. What it build her to become that strong, resilient person when we say she be. And no say rumor they fly like come for social media say Nev. What did they call that man? Social media customer. That pastor na Suleiman. Say Suleiman pay some money, but for me so far so good. The way I take see Somaku, the kind of integrity when we say she gets, I look and say she know that kind of person when we say one can say her integrity for. I not believe kind of money because what make me tell say I not believe apart from the words when we say she dey talk, she dey live one kind of simple life when we say she don't dey flash anything. So are they be probably maybe seeing a person who see they live flashy life, maybe you want build house or buy house, they live glamorously. Pidgin English and English, don't be the same thing as they see the glamorously. So I believe say probably maybe she be that kind of person. So probably maybe say she for yield or say maybe say she will allow Suleiman buy am. And not because Suleiman make come say she fit enter YouTube at the first place. That's why I say she dey like to talk about pastors, celebrities, people life, and another thing we say what they learn from inside. So I beg, more not commode that story when they talk say Suleiman bribe bank because Suleiman not rich or maybe say Somaku be. And the thing we say, if person like Somaku self, he talk say he want become pastor. And I mean personally, I would like him say I won't go to church self. Because he don't really tell me say I will go church safe minus that one. So my uncle person will say I know say even though we say I dey lazy to read my Bible self, and she will do sermon for church and she go want to bring the Bible come outside. Maybe say everybody they see her for west to west, not being talking and the Bible not talking. So I beg my darling people, may I quick chop this beans? So my uncle I beg, you get one particular beans. So we say you cook again for one video. We say you do for your other channel. We say they use one kind of Igbo beans so they put for bangolo till they cook. That particular beans. So you look and go back to that video. I reckon under the video say now that kind of beans you eat. Tell say you did for Aduro. We say you did for Aduro as that time. Me you know say don't tell me say they follow you. I beg. No let me cry yo. Let me chop my beans. So I beg. We see they upload some videos. I beg. I love you. And you will say never subscribe. Maybe say you try to subscribe until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.